Wow! Materials needed for the sensory bottle is a bottle of water, preferably one with a cover that completely covers the top, food coloring, glitter or confetti or both, clear glue, the water from the bottle, beads or other small arts and craft items, lastly, hot glue only with adult supervision. I always try to drink at least a couple of inches of water without pouring it out the drain. I want to conserve as much water as possible. Now with the empty bottle, we're going to end up putting the clear glue inside, approximately about 3 inches filled. Now it's time to put the fun stuff. Now we can put in beads, glitter, confetti, and all sorts of items that can freely move around between the glue and the water itself. Preferably something that is not as dense. Best method is to use a funnel, but I was not able to find one on time for this video, so I decided to just use a cone shaped with my hands. Did not work so well for me. Fair warning, this can get pretty messy, especially if you're doing it with your little ones. Now it's time to put in the water. Try to leave no space in between the cap and the water, so then that way it can move around without air bubbles inside. Now for the tricky part. We're going to end up putting food coloring inside. It's always best to do about a drop, but even a drop could actually end up being, well, too dark. So another fun trick is if you don't want to end up for it being too dark, you can leave some space at the top with air instead of water, so then you can do a separate mixture with just one drop and mix already with water. So when you put it in, it's already diluted. There you go, guys. It was that simple. That's how you make a calming sensory bottle. Now to secure it, the last thing you can do is put hot glue on the edges of the cap. Enjoy!